I was reading the book of Nehemiah, and in that particular book, Nehemiah had gotten a report about how the walls of Jerusalem had been torn down and the people were being heavily afflicted and so forth. And as a result of reading that, the thought came to my mind, the rebuilding of the Hebrew identity is underway. Because when Nehemiah heard the report about the condition of the walls of Jerusalem, he was motivated to go back to Jerusalem and rebuild those walls, to rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. And I'm convinced that God is in the process of rebuilding, restoring is a better word, of the so-called African Americans' true identity. It is underway, it is happening, and I believe that we are going to get there. And most definitely sooner than later. Certainly if America is going to make it out of the 21st century, the so-called African Americans or coloreds or Negroes or blacks or all of these labels, we have to embrace our true ethnicity. We have to recognize that we are the Israelites, and anyone who lacks melanin in their skin are not true Israelites, or claiming themselves to be Israelites is it's a lie, bottom line. And not only must African Americans begin to recognize that they are the true Israelites, non-African Americans must do the same. This is an important decade that we're in here in these United States. And we need help in restoring the true identity of African Americans. It must be rebuilt. It must be reestablished, especially if we're going to be a godly nation.